Dear fellow citizens of India, you may belong to different caste, creed, race, religion, region, but I tell you, this is diverging, this is a scattering, this is disintegration of our fabrics of unity. India can be only united great nation if it has everything one. One nation, one faith, and that faith is scientific. That faith is, let's unite, learn, educate ourselves, become technically very sound, contribute towards the growth and development of the nation, and never talk about fanaticism and philosophical ideas of the thousands of year old people who gave you some ideas. Today the world is galloping, developing, scientifically it is becoming broader and broader. The nation which really believed in the scientific temper and development, they have become America, Russia, France, Britain, Germany, and China and Japan. But those who are fanatics, those who are frog of the well, they are divided. And India is real example of such division, disintegration, disorganization. I appeal to the citizen of India, and particularly the head of state, Mr. Narendra Modi, have the guts, have the power. To some extent, Yogi Adityanath has that character. Discipline the citizen of India. Let them understand that India is their nation. Let them really educate them and transform their false belief that they belong to different castes, creed, race and religion. That is going to destroy India. Everywhere there is a fight. Fight on false faith. Fight on false ideology. And the basic thing is greed, corruption. They are not patriotic people like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad. They are not having the character of the people who really fought for the motherland. They have not the character of Vivekananda and Buddha. They have character of something very orthodox, conservative faith. They classify themselves as the best religious sect, best religious people, and they are dogmatic. I appeal to the Supreme Court of India. Sumo moto. Without any challenge, I appeal to Supreme Court of India, Honorable Supreme Court. Keep every religion in trial. Put dozens of best learned judges and try to judge the very sanctity of the religion. Is the religion uniting India? Is the religion telling patriotism? Is the religion telling Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs? Is the religion teaching the whole earth is our family? Is the religion teaching that every creature has the right to survive on the planet Earth? Is the religion teaching that we are fighting and we are fighting against all the corruption, all the illiteracy, all the malpractices, all the corruption which is really making India a weaker nation? Honorable Supreme Court of India, this is an appeal. Unity, integration comes once our ideas and thoughts are same. But if we are scattered in our thought, we are not knowing the truth. Like sun and moon, we will fight because we are beasts, we are animals. Groveling, ignorant, indolent thoughts is dominating our mind. We don't love people. We hate people. We are greedy. We are selfish. We are corrupt people. We don't love our motherland. An example can be given of China. That nation is really united. And that comes by discipline. If you leave the bulls and the dogs and the cattle free, what they know? Self-gratification. Self-unity. You see, sheep is the heart. You see, all the cattle, they move in the heart. But do you feel they are united? They are not united, they are ignorant. They don't know exactly what is truth. Thank you, viewers. Get united. Everything is one. One nation, one principle, one thought. Long live India. Let's be patriotic. Forget about our religion. Forget about caste, creed, everything nonsense. Because that is dogmatic, that is ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, useless, groveling thoughts, bestial thoughts, which is dividing India.